In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your name on Tradingview chart. By the end, your chart layout will clearly display your name at the top, which is great for organizing multiple layouts or presenting your work in screenshots and recordings. Start by opening a web browser and heading to tradingview.com. You can do this on desktop or laptop for the clearest view. If you have an account, make sure you're signed in so your changes are saved across devices. If you're just exploring, that's fine too. These steps still work. On the left side of the TradingView interface, look for the panel where you can choose market symbols. It's the section that lets you search or browse instruments like stocks, indexes, crypto, or forex pairs. Select the symbol you want to view. This action loads a quick chart preview, which is enough to get you to the full charting workspace. Next, click the full chart button. This opens the main full-featured chart interface with all the tools and settings. Give it a second to load. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the toolbar around the chart and the top bar with layout controls. Now move your eyes to the top right corner of the chart. You should see a label that says unnamed. That's the current name of your chart layout. Click on unnamed. A small rename box will appear, ready for you to enter a new title. Type your name in the field. You can keep it simple with just your name or add a short descriptor like chart layout if you want. If you plan to share screenshots publicly, consider using a display name or initials instead of sensitive personal information. When you're happy with the text, click rename. TradingView immediately updates the layout title and you'll see your new name appear at the top right. That's it, your name is now on the chart. If you're signed in, the change will be saved to your account automatically. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see unnamed, it may already have a name. Just click whatever title is there to change it. If the rename button is disabled, make sure you've typed at least one character. On smaller screens or mobile apps, the rename option can be tucked into a menu, but the process is the same in spirit. Open the full chart, find the layout title at the top, rename it, and save. And that's how you add your name to a TradingView chart quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.